So we're about to unflood my friend's 85. Not the true fuel, bro.
Take this out.
Is this what you've been putting in the 85, bro?
Yes. Well, take this out.
Limbos,
Take this out.
chainsaws. Alright. We gotta take my friend's BMX bike out. We're just gonna like set it down. Ooh, get that beautiful thing. And step to the side. Here you go. We're on the 85 out. Is the gas still on?
No, but his dad cut it off last night. Yeah, I know.
That's definitely still flooded.
No, I don't think I left it on. It was probably already off.
Alright, I'm gonna let you start it and then you start it.
I'm trying to start
Well, and then I will start it. Alright, at least try.
it. Spitting.
Ooh, sorry I wasn't recording. I heard some people screaming. But he got it to crank, but it just bogged out, so he got it to crank.
You can try it.
Alright, but you got some slides on it, so it might be easier for me. And I'm more experienced.
Shut up.
Well, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Who is that?
I don't know, just kick it.
I know you can do it.
Oh!
Yo! Alright, man, we're gonna give it the V-test. We're gonna kiss the pipe. Alright. Yo! Come on, man. Come on, baby. You got this.
It's smoking.
Get that bit 3 of, well, this is the third cut of the video. Getting my friend's KX85 freed up. Oh, yeah, twin! Oh, yeah, rev that shit! Oh, yeah, so he's not good at riding. Let him learn. He just fought it. It's okay. Slowly! Let me ride.
Hold on.
Alright.
It's my bike.
I know, but I help.
Still, I haven't rode it in almost 4 days a week.
I know.
Something to cross off it. Oh.
You were neutral.
No, I put it down to first. The shifter gets. The shifter gets.